Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs bundles. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs bundles module, and today we're talking about image overlay. To follow with me, this is the image overlay example or the demo. This is what the bundle can do. So you need to install field group and paragraphs and follow with me. So I have already a local site and I installed the modules. And now I need to install the image overlay uh, bundle. So this is what I need to install, and I ask you to install the paragraphs bundles and the image bundle. So these are two are required for this one. So let's install and see what's happening. After installing, let's go to structure, paragraph type, see what we got. So this is the default. These are the image wide, image narrow, image, and I talked about this in the demo for the image bundle. This is what we need. If I click on this one, you will see it doesn't have all the default images field, the 13 field default. So let's go and create content and see what we can do with this one. Let's add content and add bundle. I need image overlay, and of course I'm not gonna touch this one. I'm just gonna add just an image and see exactly what I get out of this box. And I add a title, and I'm gonna click save, and this is what I get here. This is the default. So if you go and you click edit, you can change. Now I'm clicking display. You could change the background color if you want it to be different color, and opacity, the text color if you want it to be different color, the shadow if you want to drop the max width, border radius. This is same thing as the rest. This is what's here. It belongs to this one. So if you want to fade, these are the animation for the hover activity. So slide bottom, slide left. Let's do this one. So this one, that's what you get. Here it is. And I created this way. So as you see here, it's all straightforward. Doesn't have that much to explain except just play with the content and see exactly whatever look you want. I hope you like the demo. See you on the next one.